Hello beautiful people, welcome to Betty's Kitchen. This is your food and nutrition chef Esther Ajiman. On today's menu is homemade vinaigrette recipe. So I see a lot of people have really good nutritious salad, really good like green leafy salads, and they top it up with mayonnaise. Don't do that. Learn how to do your own vinaigrette. So once in a while you can indulge in these creamy salad dressings. I love it. I love, like, if you have checked my creamy broccoli salad, I'll add the recipe. I'll add it to the description button so that if you haven't checked it out, you can check it. So I eat that, but on occasions where I want to indulge. But everyday salads, and you should have your green leafy salads and vegetables, and they should be daily. They are good for your brain. Like I told you, this year I'm going to be bringing a lot of healthy recipes. So we're going to make our own vinaigrette. Oh, come on, let's do it. So I've got my smoked garlic here, and I've got one unsmoked, and this is parsley watercress. So I'm just going to peel it. I just wanted you to see the smoked garlic, so now I'm peeling it off. Then we chop and add it. So we're just going to chop the garlic. This is just I just need a handful. That's what I'm not using. If you watch the recipe for how to preserve your garlic, if you've got some chopped garlic, you can just defrost it and use that. But because this is just a handful, I'm just chopping it up. You can crush it with your fork. Makes it easy to, so you don't have to chop it with your knife. Just use the fork, and voila, that is garlic. Cooking is fun, you know, people. Make it fun. So you see, it's been crushed. So in it goes into sauce pot. I will chop the watercress and the parsley. So I use the watercress and parsley, but you can add mint. Oh, come on, I won't do that. You can add mint, you can add coriander, all the herbs you love. And we add a bit of olive oil. Olive oil is good. It's good for your brain. It's a brain food. It's good for your neurons. And orange. It gives it the sweet taste. A bit of lemon. And in it goes. You can add a teaspoon of honey, or you can omit it. I've got a sweet tooth, so I add a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using white vinegar. A bit of salt to taste, and I'm using my pink Himalayan salt. You can use your table salt. A bit of pepper. So I've got a mixture. I've got white, I've got black, I've got red. When you have a mixture, it gives it a lot of taste, a flavor. At this point, if you love chili, you can add a bit of diced chili to it. I'm going to taste. Needs a bit more salt. So you just correct the seasoning to suit your taste. I like it. And this goes well with all your green or your leafy salads. It's so good. Try it anytime. So this can go, this is rocket. It can go on your rocket. It can go on if you've got spinach, kale, all your green leafy salads. Try lettuce. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again next week. Remember, your health is your wealth. You are what you eat, and your food can be your only medicine.